Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Spy or not, you're still the smartest, most honest chap we've ever met.
Don't forget massively charming.
As you always do, right, Lanny?
Of course!
Just don't get a big head, Lanny.
One close finish. You sure made Dinoco proud. Thank you, King.
Well, Tex, you've been...
Hi guys. My name is Gani. Hello!
Just stopping off for a quick breather, kid.
For my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Yes, yes!
The lightning comes down to the metal and stops so it doesn't hit you instead. If lightning really...
Defense shield go!
Whoa, amazing!
Soldier, come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have too much.
Mater, let's go. You're on.
Car wash too, Cal? No, you're getting a car wash, McQueen.
Get them back, Cal.
Yeah, no, baby.
You smoking hot.
Going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Nou, je motor gaat liggen. Nee, nou, een slokje water.
Die hikken soldaat.
Jongen, jongen. Takel, zet hem neer.
Me die jammen nou, man.
1, 2, 3. A winner.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
Of the Lower Belleville County Unified School District!
Hey, Mater. All right.
Vacation time, gotta go through orientation.
But please.
Once you acquire the taste for vitamin mulch, you can't live without it.
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
¡Son tubos de escape!
What do you have at your store?
Tires?
And if no one can get to you?
I won't sell any.
Wait, who was that? I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Persistent little bugger for a two-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
drifting chopper. On wheels. I'm coming for you,
No chick Hicks here with the racer taking the circuit by storm. Jackson Storm. Another easy win over.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will beat it.
And I'm talking about ka-chow! What happened? Where are all the other cars?
What is going on?
Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Radford's now. Make room for Mater.
Check out Guido! Nice maneuver.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this. Dragon!
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Still working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine. Wait.
You will see him like this as he drives away from home.
That's cute.